In this video, we will create a compressed file from the TIA Portal project, which allows for smooth sharing of the project between different users. Before we begin, save the project normally using the Save Project button. Select the Project menu from the top left corner, and then choose the Archive. In the window that opens, you can change the file name if desired. The source project path is by default the path of the open project, so we will not change that. The settings can be left as default. If you wish, you can learn more about the settings by hovering the mouse pointer over them, which will open an info window. Lastly, select the target path where the compressed file will be saved. You can change it to a suitable one for yourself if you wish. The identifier for the archived file is ZAP151, which is only slightly different from the project file, whose identifier is .ap151. Now we are ready to save the archived file. Press the Archive button. Now, let's verify that the created file can be found in the target folder we specified. Great. Now you have successfully archived the TIA Portal project. Thank you for watching.